Location and value add. Those are my two favorite things, and this house in Avon, Ohio has both. We're gonna walk you through so you can check it out. So what can I get for you? How about 4 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, and a full basement? The layout of this house is incredible. I love the open concept of the living room right off the kitchen. You could put a nice dining set right here. Best of all, I love that you've got the master on one side of the house and the other 3 bedrooms on the other wing. So you have all your privacy, but you can all meet right in the center hub of the home. Best of all, this home features a fully fenced-in backyard with a sunroom. So this house is located in Avon Schools, which is less than a mile away from the home. Just imagine sitting on your front porch and just waving goodbye. You could fit 6 cars in this driveway on top of the garage. If you're looking for your first home or your forever home, or maybe your next project, reach out to us today.